Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Classroom on your phone and navigate it successfully. So the first thing that you're going to want to do if you haven't done so already is you need to download that app onto your phone. If you don't use the app and choose to use your browser instead, some of the features might not work as well as they could and it might make your life a little bit more difficult. So I would recommend downloading Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Sheets, maybe even Google Slides, anything that your teacher is using to share work with you, then you should use that as an app on your phone as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to click onto the Google Classroom and it will take me onto this page here. This is how it looks. This is where all of my classes are on the phone app. It looks a bit different on the computer. And I'm going to go down here to my made up class. Okay, so this is the stream. If you have a look at the bottom, you will see there is stream, classwork and people. So the stream is kind of like your Facebook page, your Instagram page. So any important announcements are going to appear at the top, and as time goes down and more announcements and assignments get put up, then these things will start to move down the stream. So the further on in time you are, the further down the page you go. This is great if you want to see what's happened recently, but as time goes by, it's going to get a little bit more disorganized for you. So I would always recommend going onto the classwork page because this keeps things in a little bit more of an organized way and it's going to be clearer for you to see what you need to do. So your teacher will share things in topics and they will look a little bit like this. And the more they share, the more will appear on here. So you'll be able to scroll down, you'll be able to see your assignments and you'll be able to see any materials that they've shared, any worksheets and things like that. Now, where it says people for me is probably going to say grades for you. So that will be the page that you need to click on if you want to see what feedback your teacher's given you, and if you want to improve your work, then sometimes there's a possibility to do that as well. I hope that's useful for you. I hope that makes things a little bit clearer when you are using Google Classroom where you can find information. Each of your teachers will probably do things in a slightly different way, but if you know that, then I think you'll be fine.